Welcome to Fast Track Math. Ever see an equation with log and freeze? Don't worry, by the end of this lesson, you'll be solving logarithmic equations like a pro, even the natural log ones. Logarithmic equations look intimidating at first, but they're actually just another way of expressing exponential relationships. Once you understand the connection, solving them becomes straightforward and even fun. Let's look at a real example and work through it together. So here we have log of x plus 1 base 2 equals 3. And we want to know what's x. By the end of this lesson, you'll solve this confidently in seconds. So let's dive in. Every logarithmic equation can be rewritten in exponential form. Once you convert to exponential form, the equation becomes much easier to solve. So here's the definition. If log of a base b equals c, then the exponential equivalent is b to the power c equals a. So the logarithm asks, what power do I raise b to in order to get a? And the answer is c. So for instance, if we have log of 9 base 3 equals 2, we can rewrite this as 3 to the power 2 equals 9. So you see, same information, different form. Let's look at our first example. Let's solve log of x plus 1 base 2 equals 3 step by step. So first, we want to convert our equation to exponential form. And the equivalent of log of x plus 1 base 2 equals 3 in exponential form is x plus 1 equals 2 to the power 3. Then we can simplify the exponent. 2 cubed or 2 to the power 3 equals 8. Therefore, the equation becomes x plus 1 equals 8. Now, in order to solve for x, we must subtract 1 from both sides. And 8 minus 1 equals 7, and therefore x equals 7. That is our solution. But wait, we're not done here. We must always check our solution. So if we verify, log of 7 plus 1 base 2 is same as log of 8 base 2, and that is indeed equal to 3 because we know that 2 cubed equals 8. If you like what you see so far, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more. Let's look at another example. Natural logarithms use the special base e, and that is approximately 2.718. The notation ln stands for natural logarithm, and it means log base e. So in this example, let's solve ln of 3x minus 2 equals 4. So first, we want to rewrite this in exponential form. The equivalent exponential form of ln of 3x minus 2 equals 4 is e to the power 4 equals 3x minus 2. Now, in order to solve for x, we must isolate the variable term on one side of the equation. So we will add 2 to both sides. So our equation becomes e to the power 4 plus 2 equals 3x. Now, in order to solve for x, we must divide both sides by 3. So x equals e to the power 4 plus 2 divided by 3. So you can leave your answer in exact form or use a calculator to find e to the power 4, which is approximately 54.598. which will give you x is approximately equal to 18.866. And finally, you must always check your work. So if you substitute back your solution of x equals e to the power 4 plus 2 divided by 3 into your equation, this becomes ln of e to the power 4 plus 2 minus 2. And that is the equivalent of ln of e to the power 4, which equals to 4. So that's perfect. You now know that your solution is correct. But you must be cautious. You must always check your domain. The argument must be positive. So always verify that the expression inside the logarithm is positive. This is crucial because logarithms of 0 or negative numbers are undefined in the real number system. If your solution makes the argument 0 or negative, it's called an extraneous solution and must be rejected. For instance, if you solve an equation and get x equals -5, but plugging it back gives you log of -3, that solution is invalid because you can't take the log of a negative number. So always substitute your answer back into the original equation to verify that it works. So here's your challenge. Solve this equation and check your work. We have log of 2x minus 1 base 3 equals 4. So you'll want to convert to exponential form first. Take your time, work through each step carefully, and don't forget to verify your answer. So remember that every log equation is just an exponent in disguise. Convert it, and then you're golden. Remember to always check that the argument is positive and verify your solution by substituting back. So keep learning and subscribe to Fast Track Math for more quick confidence building lessons. And don't forget, math success starts when you stay on the fast track.